Hey guys, welcome back to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to fix error ls007 in Epic Games Launcher. To do this, first go to Run, type either execute or run and type %local app data. Click OK. Here we'll look for Epic Games. Go into Launcher, then Saved, and delete the web cache folder. You might have several folders, web cache folders, or maybe a cache folder. In general, delete everything related to cache. There you go. The second method is, for example, to, go into the launcher. There you go. Go to your library, select the game, click the three dots, then Manage, and click Verify Installed Files. Here you'll find a folder with the game folder, which is called the egg store point. Delete it and try launching the game. There you go. If it still doesn't launch, try verifying the files after that. If it still doesn't launch, you'll need to fully uninstall and reinstall the game by clicking the three dots, then uninstall and download it again. There you go. I hope this helped you. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This was Valor. See you guys later.